Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to disable autoplay videos on the Facebook Lite app. Many people find autoplay videos distracting and consuming mobile data unnecessarily. In this video, I will guide you through the process. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down until you find the section labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand more options. Tap on Settings to open all available options. After that, locate the Media section and click on it to open the media settings. Next, scroll down until you find the Autoplay option. Here, you will see multiple choices for video autoplay. Select Never Autoplay Video to completely stop videos from playing automatically. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with friends.